The 2013 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.